Hi friends, I welcome you to the video. Now in this video we'll try to learn the journal entries for dishonor of bills in various situations. In this one video we'll try to cover journal entries relating to dishonor of bills retained by the drawer till the due date and the bill is dishonored on the due date. We'll learn how to pass entries when the bill is endorsed by the drawer to an endorsee and the bill is dishonored. We'll also see how to write entries when the bill is discounted and then dishonored. It is just like a summary of all the three situations which we have discussed earlier. Let us take up the first situation. Bill is retained by the drawer and dishonored on the due date. What are the entries in the books of drawer and books of drawee? Now, what is the entries we are going to record in the books of the drawer and the drawee we are going to learn here? When the drawer received the bill from the drawee, he would have passed the entry bills receivable to drawee. When the bill is dishonored, that entry needs to be reversed and he will pass the entry drawee account debit to bills receivable. We are only trying to learn what are the entries relating to dishonor. That's it. So whatever entry he has passed in his books, he will reverse. He would have recorded the entry with bill amount. Now he will reverse with the bill amount. The drawee, when he gave the bill to the drawer, he would have passed the entry drawer account to bills payable. When the bill is dishonored, that entry needs to be reversed. He will pass the entry bills payable account debit bill amount to drawer account. On the date of dishonor, this is for dishonor entry. Now, what will be the entry for noting charges? Drawer would have paid cash to the notary public. Cash account will be credited. He has to collect this money from drawee, hence drawee account will be debited with noting charges. Noting charges is ultimately going to be loss for drawee, hence noting charges will be debited with the noting charges amount. He has to pay this money to the drawer, hence drawer account will be credited. Okay. So these are the entries we pass in the books of the drawer and the drawee on dishonor when the bills are retained by the drawer till the due date and dishonored on the due date. Now let us see the next situation. When bill is endorsed and dishonored. That means the drawer endorsed the bill to the endorsee and then finally on the due date the bill was dishonored. We will have three parties here: endorsee, drawer / endorser, and then the drawee. Let us start with the books of the drawee. We have to only write the dishonor entries. In this video we will see how to write entries only for dishonor. When the drawee gave the bill to the drawer, he would have passed the entry drawer account to bills payable. When the bill is dishonored, entry would be reversed in the books of the drawee. He will pass the entry bills payable account debit with the bill amount and drawer account will be credited with the bill amount. Ultimately, noting charges would also have been paid by some party. So noting charges account will be debited with noting charges amount and he has to pay this money to the drawer because he is liable. The drawer is liable only to the drawer. So noting charges amount will be credited to the drawer account. Noting charges. Very simple. Now, what are the entries in the books of the endorsee? When he received the bill from the drawer, the endorsee would have passed the entry bills receivable account to the endorser, or we can call the drawer account. Between the endorsee, this party is the endorser and he is the endorsee. So when he received the bill, he would have passed the entry bills receivable to endorser. Now the bill is dishonored, so he will reverse the entry. He will pass endorser account debit bill amount to bills receivable. He is reversing the earlier entry in his books. When he received the bill, he would have passed the entry bills receivable to endorser. Now it is reversed here. Okay. And this endorsee would also have paid some noting charges. He is going to collect this money from endorser only. endorser account debit noting charges, and cash would have been paid to the notary public, hence noting charges amount will be credited to cash. He has paid cash, but he is going to recover the money from the endorser, ENDORSER. Okay. Now what is the entry in the books of the drawer, endorser? The drawer has to pay money to endorsee, hence he will credit him with bill amount plus noting charges. The drawer or the endorser has to show endorsee as a creditor because he has to pay money now. Endorsee account will be credited with bill amount and noting charges. You can see double he here. Endorsee account will be credited with bill amount and noting charges. And this person has to collect this money from the drawee, hence drawee account will be debited with bill amount plus noting charges. So these are the entries which will be passed in the books of the drawer, endorser when the bill is endorsed and dishonored. Drawee account will be debited with bill amount and noting charges. He has to pay money to him this much, and he has to pay money to endorsee, bill amount and noting charges. Okay. So this is how the dishonored entries will be passed when the bill is endorsed and dishonored. Now let us come to the third situation. Discounted bills dishonored. Now we will have three parties here: bank, drawer and drawee. When drawee gave bill to drawer, he would have passed the entry drawer to bills payable. That entry will be reversed. Bills payable account debit bill amount to drawer account bill amount. He has to suffer a loss for noting charges because of dishonor. Noting charges account will be debited with noting charges. He has to pay money to the drawer, hence drawer account will be credited with noting charges amount. Okay. Now the bank. When the bank received the bill from the drawer, it would have passed the entry bills receivable account to drawer. Now that entry would be reversed. When the bank received the bill, it would have passed the entry bills receivable account to drawer. Now the full amount has to be paid. So drawer account will be debited with bill amount to bills receivable. Bills receivable account will be credited with bill amount. Bank would also have to incur some noting charges, but it is going to collect this money from the drawer, hence drawer account will be debited, and bank will pay noting charges to the notary public to get the bill noted, dishonor noted. Okay, so these are the entries in the books of the bank. What will be the entry in the books of the drawer? He has to make drawee as a debtor in his books. Drawee account will be debited with bill amount plus noting charges. Drawer has to pay the money to bank, hence bank account will be credited with bill amount plus noting charges. So these are the entries we pass in the books of the drawer when the bill is discounted and dishonored. Drawee has to pay me money, hence debit. I have to pay money to bank, hence credit. Okay. Actually this is nothing but in the place of endorsee we have the bank here. For the bank, endorser is the drawer, hence drawer is debited here. So if you observe situation 2 and 3, actually situation 2 and 3 are same, and the only difference is in the second problem we have a party, and in the third situation we have bank standing in the position of an endorsee here. Okay, so these are the entries we pass in the books of various parties when the bills are dishonored. You can write them down and remember these entries for the sake of convenience. Okay, we have learned the logic earlier as well, and in this video as well I have explained you the logic for the entries passed at the time of dishonor of the bills. If you observe very closely, the entries in the books of the drawer will always remain the same. Bills payable to drawer, noting charges to drawer, bills payable to drawer, noting charges to drawer, bills payable to drawer, noting charges to drawer. So these entries, in any situation, whether the bill is retained till the due date or it is endorsed and dishonored on the due date, the drawee entries, the books of the entries, the books of the drawee entries would remain the same. Okay. In the case of endorsement and dishonor, we said the drawer or the endorser will pass the entry drawee account at R to endorsee with bill amount and noting charges. When the bill is discounted and dishonored, in the place of endorsee you will simply write bank. So the same entry is passed here also, drawee account at R to bank, bill amount plus noting charges. So you can see some similarities in journal entries. When you write down these journal entries and observe them on a paper, sheet of paper, you will see the similarities between the entries. Okay. If you observe the entries in the books of the endorsee and the books of the bank, you can see a similarity here. So these entries remain the same. Okay. Thank you.